Welcome to TalentsTreasure, and today we are going to see about securing IoT devices is the key to a safer smart home. Businesses can safeguard themselves against vulnerabilities in Internet of Things devices by adhering to Internet of Things security best practices. However, with shared accountability, multiple stakeholders can prevent greater IoT risks. Manufacturers must resolve known vulnerabilities in their products, release patches for those that already exist, and report when support for such devices ends in order to ensure the security of Internet of Things devices. In order to be sure that no vulnerabilities have emerged during manufacturing, manufacturers must also do testing, such as penetration tests, and place security at the center of IoT product design. They must also put procedures in place for receiving reports of vulnerabilities in their goods. Users need to be aware of the security threats associated with IoT-connected products. They need to give IoT device security high priority and safeguard laptops, mobile phones. Cybercriminals look for holes in IoT devices so they can attack businesses and end consumers. IoT device vulnerabilities can impact users in a number of ways, such as lateral network movement. Once a susceptible device has been breached, cybercriminals might leverage this opportunity to penetrate further into corporate networks. An attacker seeks to elevate their privileges by taking advantage of a system vulnerability. They then penetrate networks by moving laterally to get at important data and disseminate malware. Assaults and other large-scale cyber attacks are carried out by cybercriminals using botnets, which are vast networks of devices like routers. Multiple compromised devices are gathered by botnets and controlled by a command and control CNAMP server. For instance, the Mirai botnet brought down numerous important services and websites in 2016. Modern civilization is becoming more and more reliant on the Internet of Things, IoT, from end consumers to businesses and industrial applications. There are a lot of opportunities brought about by the quick expansion of IoT devices, but there are also serious cybersecurity dangers. IoT security may be jeopardized by a weak device that allows hackers to enter connected networks and obtain user credentials and sensitive company information. As a result, businesses need to know how to secure IoT devices and identify the main IoT security flaws. Usually, an IoT device lacks the necessary internal protection to fend against security threats. Cybercriminals can compromise a device through common vulnerabilities and exposures, giving them a platform from which to conduct sophisticated cyberattacks. Important risks from IoT to devices is IoT devices have limited hardware and computational power. Thank you for watching, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for regular and informative content like this.